Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Surfer. So in this video I will show you how to recover WhatsApp messages and attachment from iPhone or iPad or iTunes backup files. So in this video you will also get free premium license key which will be for 1 year and follow the step by step tutorial. So as you can see this, you will also get the premium feature unlock, which is retrieve WhatsApp chat history, photos, videos, audio files, and other multimedia attachments. Messages and attachments from both iPhone, iOS, internal storage, and iTunes backup. So for this, you have to firstly copy the giveaway link and go to one of your browser and paste the link here. And you will come into this interface. Here you can see this Coolmuster iPhone WhatsApp recovery. So it will support Windows 7, 8, 10, 11. It is absolutely free of cost. So to get this you have to fill up this form. So I am filling this form and write the captcha code and click on submit. Here you have to click on Facebook and close it, and this is the license key we will use for this software. So for this we have also download the software. So to download you have to go to this file. You will get this link in the video description. So copy the link and go to one of your browser and paste the link. So as you can see this, the download has been complete. So you have to click on this and click on yes. Now you have to install the software. So to install, click on next, I agree, install. So it is installing the software. It will take a little bit time to install. So click on next and finish. So here is showing thank you for installing Coolmuster iPhone WhatsApp recovery. And now this software is free version. Get the premium version, we have to register it. So to register, click on this register button, and here you can see this registration is needed for full version. So you have to click on register, and here you have to provide the email address, license code. So I am providing the email address, and I also have to put the license key. So copy the license key and paste it here, and then you have to click on register. So as you can see this, we have successfully registered, and thank you for registering. If you close OK, if you click on OK, and if you go register key again, now you can see this, your copy of the software is registered. Now we have got 1 year subscription, so remain 365 days. So click on OK. Now you can use this software as much as you can, and also enjoy the premium features of this software. So thank you so much for your time. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and see you in the next video.